Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a video is unavailable or the content is unavailable when you try to watch YouTube. So what you need to do first is to go to your extensions here and then here manage extensions and look if you don't have any ad blocker sort of type a extension that may prevent you from watching the video. If you have something like that, you just need to, as you can see here, disable it, right? And if this is not the issue, if you're still getting the error message here and you cannot watch the videos, what you need to do here is to press on your profile here on the top right. Then you need to send feedback. And then as you can see here, you will have this message here. First, what you need to do here is to press capture screenshot and capture a screenshot with your issue here. And then you need to write something along these lines. Hey, all my videos that I'm trying to watch says video unavailable. And can you look into this? Something like that. And then you can select we may email you for more information or updates, and then you just need to press send. Right, and then you just need to wait until they fix your issue. For me, I got this also. I had this issue with the videos, and it fixed. YouTube fixed it in 24 hours or something along these lines. So yeah, that's basically it.